The Olight Oclip Ultra is the newest iteration in the Oclip series with some notable changes as compared to the Oclip Pro. It's made out of a new proprietary material from Olight called Olight Aluminum, which is just as light as regular 6061 aluminum, but it's 1.73 times harder, which is going to make great toughness for carrying this in any condition. It still has the flood and spotlight outputs. However, instead of the red light, now has a UV output. Still has the super handy, easy side switch for changing modes. And in the center is a charge indicator. It comes with a short USB-A to USB-C charging cable. And I like that the charging port on the side flips open as opposed to a lot of the rubberized ones which just sort of spin open on other lights. And it will flash red as it's charging and turn to green when it is fully charged. The floodlight has been increased from 500 up to 530 lumens, and the spotlight from 380 to 450 lumens. And for the right situations, there is an 800 milliwatt UV light. The clip is spring-loaded, and on the inside of it is a rubberized material, so it's going to be gentle on whatever you put it on, and also the top portion of the clip here is magnetic, so you can mount it on any magnetic surface. User interface is pretty straightforward. There's a lockout mode that you get to by long pressing for 2 seconds. It will come on and then turn back off. And you can see here now, you can't turn it on. This is great if you're going to put it in a bag or somewhere where the button might accidentally get pressed. To get out of lockout mode, you again hold it down for 2 seconds and it will come back on. Moonlight mode, you long press for 1 second. We'll go into the moonlight mode. And then to turn it on regular, you single click it and it will ramp through the 3 brightnesses. Low, medium, high, low, medium, high. Has mode memory, so if you turn it off on medium, it will come back on to medium. From any brightness, you can double click to get to turbo. And then there's both a strobe and a beacon. The strobe is triple click from off, and the beacon is triple click from on. And it will flash every few seconds. Taking a look at this light outside, the low output is going to be plenty for some up close stuff. Medium, you're going to get well over 3 hours runtime. And the high, well, you only get 10 minutes. It's not a ton of time, but it's there if you need it. And then the turbo, not hugely different. You're only going to get about 1 minute for that. But I say the medium is the sweet spot on that at over 3 hours. The spotlight, very focused beam, far throwing. And the turbo, again, there if you need it. You only get about a minute runtime before it ramps down. But I think the flood on medium is going to be your most useful output for walking around. You can clip this onto a backpack strap, onto your waistband, whatever you need, and it is there and plenty bright for your nighttime walking or other needs. So there you go, the new Olight Oclip Ultra, the newest in the Oclip series. I think the big deciding factor between this and the Oclip Pro is going to be whether you need a red light or a UV light. I think a lot of people might find the red light more useful, but some people are going to have a use for that UV light. Otherwise, it is super small. You can clip it on to anything. You can stick it on to anything metal, and it is just a handy little light that you can put on your backpack strap or your pocket or your waist or whatever, and when you're walking around, you're walking the dog, you're doing whatever outside, this is going to put out a ton of light for a long time, especially on that medium, and it is a cool light. Some links down below. Check this one out, the Oclip Ultra.
Thank you.